Okay, what's up everybody? We got a 2013 Nissan Altima, and we're doing the low side pressure switch, low side, high side pressure switch. There's only one switch. So it's gonna be low side, high side. This is what it looks like. It is a 24 millimeter 6-sided socket, deep one. To get it, I got my ratchet. So that's a 1/2 inch drive with a 1/2 inch to a 3/8 adapter on a 3/8 ratchet. Now to get to it, you're just gonna take out these push pins. There's a bunch of them right here on all these little holes, all these little empty holes that I got. I've already taken them out. So you're just gonna remove that cover, and then you come in here and it's right there. So you just squeeze the electrical connector, and I've already loosened it up. And before you do this, you need to drain the refrigerant though. So I mean, you can come over here and just press the little needle tab in there, the little valve. And so I just used my little setup there. I loosened it up, and bam, there it is. That's your low side, high side pressure switch. And you're just gonna take this, stick it back in there, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. And then plug it back in, and then you're gonna recharge it. And that's low side, high side pressure switch, 2013 Nissan Altima.